Welcome to Loving Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make mixed vegetables. This dish is really good and it's very healthy, so you will love it. And for this we need ingredients: 120 grams of butter I have added, and after butter has melted, I'm adding 2 chopped onions. And we have to wait till onions change their color. And now I'm cutting 4 potatoes. And I will leave potatoes till cook well, because as you know, potatoes take time till cook, so I have to wait, so I will leave them for cook. Yeah, as you see now, potatoes look really good, and after that I can continue to add another ingredients. Now I'm cutting 4 eggplants and adding them too. We will need for this amazing dish, so 1 pepper I'm cutting too, and I will add it also inside the pan. And I will add 120 or nearly 150 grams of meat. I have used beef meat, but if you are vegetarian or vegan, you don't need to use any meat. Even without meat, it is really delicious. But I have added 150 grams of meat. And we will need also 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 1 tomato also. Tomato sauce is organic, it has made at home, and 1 tomato also, 1 fresh tomato also I wanted to add, and 2 cups of water we need to add because I like a little bit more water. And when it has water, it's really good to eat, and I feel it's more delicious. And 1 tablespoon of salt and pepper. And now I'm mixing all of them well together. And I will leave it till cook well, nearly 15 minutes. And after it has cooked, it will be so delicious. I can make sure you that you will love it so much. And I'm checking potato. If potato is soft, so it means that it's ready. Buon Appetito. Also, I want to tell thanks to my mom for helping me to make this video. Thanks.